Do you want to make some money? Some serious money. Sure you do. Why wouldn't you? I know you've had enough of the daily grind, or the all-day long toil somewhere in the coal mine. Aren't you just a little mad you've been working all these years just to make ends meet, while the rich and powerful of this world have been living out their lives like kings? It's not fair. It isn't. I know it's not. I know because I was once just like you, but not anymore. You too can escape this life of misery, and I have just the way out for you. The way out you've been looking for. If you're interested, keep watching, and I'll show you how I make my living today. You ready? Then pay attention and watch me making almost $250 in just a few minutes live in front of you. No sweat. Here, we have my favorite binary options platform, Cedar Finance. This is my deposit balance, $626 US. I have several accounts with them. This is the current trader's choice. It's what traders believe will happen, whether the exchange rate of different currencies is likely to go up or down. What we're interested in is the turbo section. I'll choose Euro and US dollar. The current rate is 1.31788. I'll click below as I think it's going to go down. Let's choose 1 minute expiry time and invest $100. Buy. Confirm, and here we go. The entry rate was 1.31788. It's dropped a bit, and the payout is $176. But there's still 45 seconds. Let's wait. It's still in the green. Green is good. The rate is 1.31778. It was 788. It changes as it's going down. The payout will be $176 if it stays green for the next 20 seconds. There are many binary options platforms out there, and I've tried most of them, but I like Cedar Finance most for several reasons. It's especially good as trader's choice seems most accurate. It looks like it's simply expert traders' preferred platform. The time is almost up. And yes, we won. $76 profit in 1 minute. The balance is $702, as you can see here. Let's have another go, and I'll increase the stakes. $250. I'm sure the rate will continue to go down, and I choose below. It means that if it goes down, I win. The entry rate was lowered to what it's now, and as you can see, there's no payout. But there's 45 seconds left though. Let's wait and see. If you're a beginner, I think it's best to start with lower investments and go up as you gain some experience. $30 seconds. And the bar is now green. The payout of $440. 20 seconds. $10 seconds. It's close. And it's expiring. As you can see, another win. The deposit here, and it was $626 just a couple of minutes ago. Did you see that? Did I get your full attention now? Okay, let's get down to business. Below this video, there's a link. Click it now, and I'll show you how deep the rabbit hole goes. Good luck with your new life, my friend.